Hi friends, it's Prof.G. If you're a subscriber to the channel, you probably noticed that I haven't posted anything in about 10 months. Well, I've been on full year sabbatical from my professor's job at Boston College, but there's more content coming soon. Now I'm going to start with some CircuitPython Maker content, and then I'm going to shift over to Swift UI content after the June Worldwide Developer Conference. Apple always launches a whole bunch of new updates, and I plan on re-recording a bunch of videos that I use for class as well as all new content for my fall course. Now this past semester I've been teaching an iOS course at the University of Technology Sydney, and I've also taught in the Apple Foundation program at UTS in Sydney and RMIT in Melbourne. And Apple Australia had very kindly flown me around Oz, supporting me in giving seminars for other educators on best practices for teaching iOS and Swift. And Apple kindly named me a distinguished educator this past summer and selected me to present my experiences teaching Maker courses in CircuitPython at the Apple Americas Educator Summit. It was huge fun. I really felt honored to be chosen. And last fall, I also finished the 10th edition of my management and technology textbook, which is used at nearly 500 universities worldwide. So if you're a professor, be sure to check that out. Now, if you're curious about any of these things, I've got links in my description, and hopefully I'll find time in the next year to create a Swift UI textbook and a Maker textbook to support both the online courses and my in-person physical courses. Now, my YouTube content is always going to be free, and any textbooks I come out with will always be low cost. But also, I'm always interested in traveling, so if your university is interested in hiring me to run a summer in-person boot camp on app development, or maybe a boot camp on electronics making, or if you work in a school district that wants me to come in and do a boot camp for educators on teaching any of these concepts, and those would be complete with course materials so that you can use them in your own courses, feel free to reach out to me. I also run these classes for corporations too, and I'm available during Northern Hemisphere summers as well as university school vacations. And for students at Boston College, I will be back on campus teaching this fall. And for everyone, see you soon. Keep on hacking.